Hello, I'm teacher Amanda and follow me to a Kindermusik birthday party. Come on.
And we're at
Down by the bay, where the watermelons grow. Back to my home, I long to go. For if I do, my mother will say, did you ever see a whale shaking his tail down by the bay?
And that's all for
Go ahead. I'm sorry. Okay.
Angie. I ate a hair. And that's all for
Kindermusik out of studios. Bye bye. D.I.Y.